Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana, and here is today's tech tip.
Okay, hi, this is Ron King. I'm an Assistive Technology Specialist for Easter Seals Crossroads, and today we're going to take a look at the Google search for iOS. Google also has a search for the Android, but in my testing I found it is not nearly as robust and it doesn't speak back the answers. So today we're going to take a look at the Google search for iOS. And first I'd like to start by going over the main screen, which you're looking at right now, and you'll see there is a sign in button. If you have a Google account, you could sign in if you so chose, but you do not have to sign in to use the search. There's also the settings button, which allows you to adjust different things and turn off and on different features from Google search. There's also a toggle button to go from the main screen to the search results screen. It's also down here the apps. You can go and get to the different apps on the web for Google. These are actually the phone apps. And then you can get to the Google web apps from there. And then the other side there is Google Goggles. We won't show you that, but what it does is opens up the camera, allows you to take a picture, and then it uses the Google software to identify what's in the picture. But what we want to focus on today is the voice search. And before I get into that, I just want to give some tips for using voice search with Google. 1, be sure to enunciate. 2, make sure you have a short pause between your words. 3, know what you're going to say before you speak. And 4, be concise. And let's just demo this. When you hit the voice button, you should hear a little beep to let you know it's working. Hopefully you heard that. And you see how effective the voice recognition is. So we're going to time and date.
It is 1:06 p.m., November 20th, 2012.
Okay, a few more examples of how you could use the voice search. Say you're looking for somewhere. Where is Easter Seals Crossroads?
Easter Seals Crossroads Rehabilitation Center is at 4740 Kingsway Drive, Indianapolis.
Okay, say you needed to give them a call. What's Easter Seals Crossroads phone number?
The telephone number for Easter Seals Crossroads Rehabilitation Center is 317-466-1000.
Okay, you can also use it, say you want to know what the Colts schedule is. Colts schedule.
The Colts are playing the Bills on Sunday at 1 p.m.
Maybe you're on the road and you need to get to the nearest gas station. Nearest gas station.
There are several listings for gas station within 10 miles.
Maybe you don't know who the governor of Indiana is. Indiana governor.
Mike Pence is the governor of Indiana.
And then lastly, maybe you just want to watch something on YouTube. Show me Poker Face on YouTube. Alright, so as you can see, the Google search is a very powerful tool, but you need to know that it doesn't play well with voiceover, and I suggest turning on the triple home click so that you can toggle your voiceover on and off, and then when you use the search, just turn off voiceover, do your search, and then turn voiceover back on to get your results. Thanks.
So that's your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.